Have you ever wondered how billions of almonds become your favorite salted snack or sweet toffee treat? The story begins long before you open a bag at home. It's a massive journey involving sunny orchards, buzzing bees, powerful machines, and high-tech factories. Every almond you eat has traveled a remarkable path, shaped by science, nature, and lots of hard work. Almond production is one of the largest food stories in the world. Each year, more than 1 billion pounds of almonds are harvested, processed, and shipped to snack lovers everywhere. Behind each nut is a complex dance of timing and teamwork. From flower to finished snack, every step is carefully planned and monitored. Let's peel back the shell and look at each stage. We'll see how trees bloom, how farmers and machines work together, and how simple almonds become crunchy, delicious bites. We'll even find out how chocolate and toffee enter the picture. By the end, you'll see almonds with fresh eyes, and probably get hungry for a handful too. Almonds are famous around the world. They're eaten as snacks, baked into cookies, and turned into milk and butter. Their popularity just keeps growing. Why? Because almonds are tasty, healthy, and incredibly versatile. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. But where do most almonds come from? The answer is California. The state's Central Valley grows around 80% of the world's almonds. Its sunny days, cool nights, and rich soil make it the perfect place for almond trees. Other countries like Spain, Australia, and Iran grow almonds too, but California is the clear leader. This huge production means a lot of jobs and a big impact on local communities. Thousands of farmers, workers, and scientists work together to keep the almond industry running smoothly. Their hard work ensures that almonds are always ready for snackers everywhere. So the next time you bite into an almond, think about the journey it might have made, from a California orchard all the way to your snack bowl. The almond story starts in late winter. The orchards burst into color as trees explode with pink and white blossoms. For just a few weeks, the air smells sweet, and the trees look like they're covered in snow. But these blossoms aren't just pretty, they're the first step in almond production. Bees are the silent heroes here. Almond trees can't pollinate themselves, so farmers bring in millions of honeybee hives. The bees buzz from flower to flower, carrying pollen and helping the trees start growing almonds. Without bees, there would be no nuts. Farmers work hard to protect these bees. They avoid using harmful sprays during bloom and make sure the bees have plenty of food and water. Healthy bees mean healthy almond crops. After pollination, the petals fall and tiny green almonds start to appear. The real work is just beginning. Once the blossoms fall, the focus shifts to helping the little nuts grow. Almond trees need lots of sun, just the right amount of water, and careful care from farmers. Irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots, saving water and making sure each tree gets what it needs. Farmers check the trees for pests and diseases. They use modern tools like drones and sensors to monitor tree health and soil moisture. If a tree needs extra help, it gets it right away. This keeps the orchard healthy and productive. As spring turns to summer, the almonds grow bigger and harder. Their shells develop and turn from green to tan. By midsummer, the orchards are full of heavy, ripe almonds hanging from every branch. Finally, as the nuts dry out and split open, it's almost time for harvest. Farmers wait for the perfect moment. Too early, and the nuts aren't ready. Too late, and they may drop or get damaged. When the almonds are just right, it's time for harvest. This is where the big machines come in. First, mechanical shakers grip the tree trunks and give them a strong shake. In just a few seconds, thousands of almonds rain down onto the orchard floor. Next, sweepers roll through the rows, neatly pushing the almonds into tidy lines. These lines, called windrows, make it easy for the next machine, the harvester, to come by and collect the nuts. It's a fast, efficient process designed to cover hundreds of acres quickly. Dust fills the air and the orchards are busy with activity for several weeks. The goal is to gather the almonds quickly while keeping them clean and dry. Any delay could mean lost nuts or problems with mold or pests. Once the almonds are gathered, they're loaded into trucks for the next step in their journey, the processing plant. After harvest, the almonds are collected and loaded into large bins or trailers. Trucks haul these bins from the orchards to the processing facilities. It's a race against time to keep the almonds fresh and protected from rain or birds. At the plant, the almonds arrive looking pretty rough. They're still in their shells, mixed with bits of leaves, twigs, and sometimes dirt. The first job is to record where the almonds came from and make sure each batch is tracked from orchard to table. Workers unload the bins and the almonds move onto conveyor belts. The journey through the plant is about to begin. It's loud, busy, and very precise. Every almond is about to get a serious makeover. This step marks the transition from farm to factory, where raw almonds become the snacks we know and love. Inside the processing plant, the almonds face their first big transformation. They pass through giant blowers and shaking screens that remove loose leaves, sticks, and stones. Next, powerful vacuums and air jets pull away dust and tiny debris. Now it's time to crack the shells. Machines gently squeeze each almond until the hard outer shell splits open. The goal is to free the nut inside without breaking or crushing it. This step takes skill and the right equipment. After shelling, the almonds are sorted by size and quality. High-speed cameras scan each nut, looking for cracks, dark spots, or other problems. The best almonds head down one conveyor. Lower quality nuts go another way, often for oil or animal feed. By the end of this process, the almonds are clean, fresh, and ready for their final transformation into snacks. Now the fun really begins. Most people love their almonds roasted, salted, or flavored, so raw almonds move into these giant roasting ovens, where they're tumbled and heated at just the right temperature. This brings out their nutty flavor and makes them extra crispy. After roasting, the warm almonds roll through seasoning drums. Here, they're dusted with salt, spices, or even smoky barbecue flavors. Each almond gets an even coating, no plain bites allowed. Next, the almonds cool down on long, moving belts. This keeps them crunchy and prevents sogginess. Once cooled, they're weighed and poured into bags or canisters. Machines seal the packages tight to lock in freshness. Ready for shipping, these almonds are now the snacks we find in supermarkets, vending machines, and lunch boxes everywhere. Not all almonds stop at roasting. Some are headed for a sweeter destiny: almond toffee. First, whole or chopped almonds are mixed with bubbling toffee syrup made from sugar and butter. The nuts and toffee are spread out to cool and harden. Next comes chocolate. The cooled toffee pieces are coated in rich, melted chocolate, then tumbled in special drums until every piece is perfectly covered. Sometimes, the treats are finished with a sprinkle of sea salt or a dusting of cocoa powder. Throughout the entire process, quality control is key. Workers and machines check for broken nuts, off flavors, or other problems. Samples are tasted and tested, and only the best treats are packed for sale. This attention to detail ensures that every almond snack is delicious, crunchy, and safe to eat. Growing billions of almonds takes a lot of resources, but farmers work hard to protect the environment. New irrigation systems use less water by delivering it straight to each tree's roots. This saves water and reduces waste. After harvest, leftover shells and hulls are not thrown away. They're used as animal feed, mulch, or even as a source of renewable energy. Nothing goes to waste if it can be avoided. Bees are still important, so many farmers plant wildflowers and use fewer chemicals to keep pollinators safe. They also rotate crops and use cover crops to keep the soil healthy year after year. These efforts mean that enjoying almonds doesn't just taste good, it also supports a healthier planet. From orchard blossoms to crunchy snacks, the journey of the almond is an amazing story of teamwork, technology, and nature. It takes thousands of farmers, truck drivers, factory workers, and scientists to turn a simple blossom into a delicious treat. Every salted almond, chocolate-covered nut, or piece of almond toffee has been checked, tested, and perfected at every stage. The industry continues to innovate, making the process faster, cleaner, and more sustainable each year. So, next time you enjoy a handful of almonds, remember the bees, the farmers, the machines, and the many hands that made it possible. Behind every snack is a story of hard work and dedication. Crunch, savor, and celebrate. Almonds are truly one of nature's best journeys from tree to treat.